I'm stealing his content.
You don't make content. You're just mad because you don't have a YouTube channel. Put something on then. Hi, hello. If you have been following the channel, you would know that we've been doing a lot of work lately in our backyard. If you don't already know what's going on, please go ahead and watch these videos here. I will explain in them what's going on, what is happening, why are we tearing so much stuff down and putting so much stuff up. So go check those videos out. Then come on back, settle in, and watch this video here so you can be up to date on what the hell is happening out there. Today we're working on the pergola. Pergola. You know, the thing. We've already got a plan for everything where the new garden bed is gonna go, and then we're going to build a swing to go inside as well. Zachary is outside now. He's cutting up some wood. He's already started the project, so we are gonna head out. What is happening? Here is what we got going on so far. Zach has been out here all morning working on this thing, so I'm so proud of him. Puts in a lot of good hard work. Yes, he does. But it didn't take him very long to put this thing up. Probably taking the longest was just cutting all the wood. But yeah, here we go. It's gonna be done probably in a couple of minutes. This wasn't a very long project at all. We got our screws here, our level, and yeah, so this is like the foundation, the basics of it. And then you're just gonna screw your planks onto it. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. This will be nice, really cute. We'll put some mint probably in there because mint is said to keep like bugs, like bees and stuff are supposedly not supposed to like the smell of mint. So we'll put some of that in there so we can put our swing in that will face this way. So then we can swing, look at the backyard, be a lot of fun, super cute. What are you up to? See you moving some wood. What is the word? What are you doing? Oh.
He plugged that hole. I'm showing everyone how he plugged that hole, and I just stood and recorded.
Say it again, bet you won't to my face. Technically my face is right here, so I'm just saying. Yeah, just right. That's right, just keep on. Yeah.
Cart back.
What? Say it again. Bet you don't. I'm the type of person that's put my cart back. I put my cart back all the time. I have a video of me putting a cart back. Oh. Yeah.
I'm stealing his content.
You don't make content. You're just mad because you don't have a YouTube channel. Put something on then. If you're so, you know what?
I'm gonna steal weed. Over a few more boards. So stealing my content. Why are you placing them where I'm laying?
I don't know. I'm just kind of putting them down. I don't really know where the screws. It's hurting my hands. I'm gonna go put gloves on. Just appreciate it. Well, I guess that's it. Is that it? Is it done? Now it just needs dirt.
Interior lining.
An interior lining. Cool beans. Nice beans. Well, I guess we will update you when that happens.